Hi guys, welcome back to the Coding Corner. I'm Mr. Rajapathya, and in this video we're going to learn about TCP and UDP. Well, the full form of each of it is Transmission Control Protocol and User Datagram Protocol respectively. Well, basically what it does is it helps data to travel from the sender to the receiver or vice versa. So you might ask why use two protocols for the same reason. Well, the main difference between both of the protocol is TCP is connection oriented and UDP is connectionless. So UDP is basically faster but less safer, and TCP is a little slower but more safer. So keeping that in mind, let's see what are the applications of each of it. Well, TCP is connection oriented, so it is used for SSL, which is secure socket layer, HTTPS, which is a secure HTTP protocol, and while UDP is used for streaming VoIP or video calls or whatever entertainment related thing you do, UDP is used for it. For example, if you say WhatsApp calls, it's done over UDP because it's well faster. Now, the next thing that I'm going to show you is three-way handshake. Well, three-way handshake is something I'll have to open my browser for. So as you can see over here, there's TCP and UDP communication. Well, it's three-way handshake for TCP, and for UDP, it's more than three. So basically, let's see TCP first and then UDP. As you can see, TCP handshake, first the sender sends a synchronization packet to the receiver, and then the receiver acknowledges the packet back, and then the sender starts sending the data to the receiver. This is the TCP handshake. In UDP handshake, the receiver sends a request to the sender to send a particular packet, and then sender keeps on sending the packet till the receiver stops it. So as you can see over here too, there is no acknowledgement if the packet is received or not. While in TCP, there is an acknowledgement. So that makes TCP more secure again. So that's all I had for today. I hope you understood the topic of TCP and UDP. If you want to give any suggestions, please post it down in the comment section below. And if you have any doubts, you can DM us on Instagram and do join our Discord server. The link will be in the description. Thank you and happy networking.